Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. One more light and refreshing meal I want to share with you today is stir-fried tofu with tomato sauce. There are only one onion, 4 tomatoes and 200 grams of soya beans that are very cheap and easily found ingredients. You can make a delicious and healthy meal for your loved people like I do today. First, I will make tofu from soy milk. Pour the soy milk into the large pot and bring it to boil over a low heat, stirring constantly to prevent it burning. Continue to let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Please click to the link that is attached on the top right of the screen to direct you to the video where you will find all steps to make this soy milk. Reduce the heat. It is okay if you take or do not take the foam away. And pour slowly the coagulant into the soy milk and stir gently. I let it sit undisturbed for about 20 minutes to allow the curds to form. In my view, the slower the curd is being formed as shown here, the tastier the tofu is. When the liquid looks like this, it is the time to line the tofu press with a cheesecloth. Carefully transfer the curds into the mold. Fold the cloth over the top and place a stone mortar, as I do, or something heavy on top to press out the excess liquid. Let the tofu press stand for 40 minutes because I want a more firm tofu this time. The time depends on how heavy the weight you use to press. After 40 minutes, carefully unwrap the tofu. Let it cool, then cut the tofu into 8 pieces. Dip the chopsticks into the oil in the wok. When the bubbles appear, place the piece of tofu on the chopsticks and gently put it into the oil. Or let it slide gently down from the wall of the wok to avoid the oil from burning you. Gently flip them over to fry the other sides. When they become golden, increase the heat. Quickly take them out. You see how appealing they are. It is very nice to enjoy these with soy sauce right now. The onion has been chopped and the tomatoes have been blended. Put the wok back on the hob over high heat with a little oil. Saute the onion. Add the tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning powder, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir them well and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add the fried tofu and let them cook for 3 minutes. Add the cornstarch liquid into the tomato sauce. Stir them well. Now it is done. Scoop it into a bowl. It is very wonderful if served with steamed rice or pasta. The tofu is soft and tastes smooth inside. Sprinkle a few parsley onto the top. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to give a rating and subscribe. See you next Friday.